No, you as a phone repair engineer or phone repair technician now. So if you get waiting person go tell you now, you will talk say I no go fix phone again. If you get waiting customer if you do you now, you talk say I no go fix phone again. Guy, hunger go do you hunger go do you. I even reason now. Anybody go talk, even talk finish, make them rest. Find way fix that phone, find way work am. Even though say your body tell yourself say you not fit do am, not believe your body. Not believe everybody when they fix phone knows say money dey for phone repair. But na the challenge when they behind them, now make many people they run. How many men, how many men when phone repair don't push come out for poverty? So they'll come tell you say, I'm going to arrest you. This phone you fixed it and you spoiled my phone. Okay, calm down. Make them find money, buy another phone, me another customer come. It's just not only you did for this one, people no go the chop. Come carry your phone when it be say by next year now you don't dump am for corner, you won't come use and spoil person business. Phone will always exist. So why you can't they carry on because say you get one or two issues, you won't come use and spoil my future for me? No agree for them. If you they learn the work, put your eye. Put your eye, my guy. If you they learn the work, put your eye. Learn what you want learn first. Anybody challenge you, gather your money, pay the person, wait for the next customer. The next customer go do you well. That's not be today, not be Monday. Phone when I fix since last week. Not be say that the person fall down for ground though. Come now, they ginger me say I not sabi work, I don't spoil your phone. I don't understand. Now your phone the first begin spoil. If your phone spoil today, you don't go buy another one next year. Now that phone you won't use for 3 years. So make I lock my shop, go they cry now because say your phone spoil. I'm on the reason person now. You be customer, not me say you be cost. You be customer, now customer you are not a cost to my business. So calm down. Customer is always right, but calm down. That'll be everything you go they push, they pull body. Okay, man, go they cry. You won't feed me for us. How are you? If I get issue with your phone, I not get issue with you. I have issues with your phone. So don't query me. Allow me to deal with the phone. Make me and the phone talk. Give himself the phone self. Even fall out for grant. Carry and come give me. See wait till even solve. Say I say this phone you don't fall on me. Say na key scratch am. Say I not fix the phone well. Okay, you won't make a believe say key scratch the phone. You don't want believe say I fix your phone well. Why they take am easy now? See, for phone, I know they do only one thing for phone. No, now many things I they do for phone repair. Me, I they sell accessories, I they fix phone, I they charge phone. Nothing when I know they do. Now to make the ends meet. If one way block, another one open. For everywhere when you they do your business, they try. You go they try diversify. Try they put eye for everywhere when they around the business. Anything when you go feed, I they work touch, I they work MP, I they work power bank. All of them are the do to survive. And you can't cost me because say you be customer. No, you reason on my body cost when I don't receive for this work. The cost when I don't receive, guy. How many customers? But God knows say my hand clean. Oh. I don't get any intention to hurt anybody, guy. If it happen to you, this is electronic device. I'm not even there where they produce them. I'm only trying to make it better. After you don't damage it good, now you carry and come give me. Now waiting good now they bring come give person wey repair. Have you not know the meaning of repair? You be winch. Are you a winch? Why human being dey like this now? He give me the phone, I still fix am finish. Give me money. He say what of the money when he pay me before? Omo, you learn patience. You need to learn patience. You go learn now. You gotta learn patience. It's vital in all aspects of life, man. If you not learn you go keep person picking. Oh, you go bring person picking here, do. And you know, see, they not get na say go correct am for you. Don't try am.